You know what is the most common used word in the 2020 among business owners is the word called mute. Sir, you are muted. I can't hear you. Can you unmute? The mute and unmute is the most common word I heard in my life in 2020. Hey, my name is Murali Sundaram, probably known as the Happiness Coach, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how this Zoom mute and unmute is directly connected to how we can succeed in our life. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead, press the subscribe button, like this video, and also the notification button so that you'll always get notified whenever I release a new video. Since every day I do a lot of Zoom meetings, every day at least 4, 5, sometimes even 7 or 8. And in every meeting I have some 100 people I'm talking to every single day. And all of them are business owners, professionals, executives, most of them. They all want to speak, okay? So when you ask a question, they all want to speak. And most of the time, they are all speaking, but with the mute is on, okay? So since the video is on, we were able to figure out that, that person is talking. And then we have to tell them, hey, Murali, you're muted, we can't hear you, please unmute. Have you experienced this situation? It has happened a lot in my life, even till now. It is happening every single day. Now remember, when you're muted, whatever volume with which you're speaking and whatever good points you want to speak, if you are muted, do you think the other person can hear you? It is not possible. Yes or no? Similarly, most of us have these amazing ideas and thoughts, our true self-expression. We want to express it with our family, friends, colleagues, or probably you want to sell the idea to your customers. But we always talk here, mute ourselves, and when we talk to them, they can't hear our thoughts. As of now, we have not developed the technology that I can listen to your thoughts. Yes or no? So, number one, if you really want to achieve more success in your personal life and your professional life, you need to express, you need to unmute yourself and express the original thoughts that is coming out of you. Sometimes you may not be right. Sometimes the flow of thoughts may not be exactly right, but that's okay. But that's a different area of improvement, of enhancing your communication skills. But first step, you should always unmute your mind and express your true thoughts, feelings, and emotions. Okay, this is what I learned every day whenever I hear people, they scream and shout with their mute button on. The second one is, again, the same challenge. People don't keep their video on. Have you seen that? Have you experienced that in your life? They always shut the video, okay? And we have no idea what the other person is doing. We don't know whether that person is listening to you. Are they still watching the video? Are they still attending the meeting? No idea, okay? So, important step is, if you want others to know that you are paying attention, if you want others to know that you are with them, you need to show up. You need to show the video on, right? Then only they know that you are participating. Similarly, in life, you need to show up to opportunities. There are opportunities right now in our life. If we shy away from it, that, oh no, my conditions are not favorable, my background is not good, I can't switch on the video, maybe my mobile data signal is very weak. These are all excuses we give to ourselves. Thereby, we get rid of all the opportunity that is knocking in front of us. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, opportunity knocks at our doorstep every single day. Only when we develop the habit of showing up, okay, any opportunity that comes, we should be able to grab it. Only when you show, it presents itself to you and we can grab it. And then we take action. Then only we achieve success. So every day when I attend these Zoom meetings, I always keep thinking about these two examples, that you need to unmute your mind and start talking. Number one. Number two, show up. Only when you show up to situations and events and people all around you, opportunity will strike. Then only you will be able to even look at the opportunity. So start showing up next time when you're attending any kind of a meeting, okay? Instead of giving excuses, my mobile signal is not good, my background is not good. Remember, these are all lame excuses that you can never give up. If your number one client is sitting on the other side of the video, will you ever do that? You will not do that, right? So with every person you meet in your life, in the online world, the same applies to the offline world also. Put the best from your side. Express yourself completely. Put your best show in front of them. Thereby, they get impressed with what you are, because what you can be, you must be. I hope this video you found it useful. If you find any one of your friend, okay, in your meetings, of your business meetings, they always keep their video off and always they don't express, share this video with them so that they will start unmuting their mind and put their video on, so that you can have an amazing team meetings and maximum productivity. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.